Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix pending delivery confirmation on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log in to your profile, but if you don't have one, don't worry, you can always go and register to the website. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see here, we have the search bar and all of the categories on this website. Also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. We have your recently viewed, favorites, and the shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix pending delivery confirmation on DHgate. So what you need to do guys is firstly go to your profile here, click on your, you don't need to click on it, you just need to hover over it. Then when you're there, you need to go and click on my orders. Here guys, you'll be greeted by you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this, where you just need to go and again type your credentials so that you can go and log in. Just a second. So firstly, you have to go and log in again. And you have to of course confirm that you're not a robot. And here guys, as you can see, sorry for the delay, here you can see your orders and awaiting shipments and everything. So if you have one that is delayed or something like that, you can always go back here and click on the customer service in the top right corner to ask them why it's pending and how you can actually go and fix it. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.